There it is. Evidence of how unpredictable your company's communications costs can be. Big jumps from month to month that hurt your bottom line. But now there's an easy way to change the graph and change the game. What a relief to make your communications expenses look like this. Rein in your costs and even them out with Mitel Anywhere. This hosted communications service can help your growing business grow faster. Here's how. Now you can forget about managing your phone system and focus on communicating. A monthly per-user subscription covers your entire communication solution. Local and long distance, voicemail, plus all these high-efficiency features. It's the latest technology, but with no upfront capital expense. The Mitel Anywhere hosted solution uses the same technology we've already deployed on thousands of customer sites. You can get your own virtual PBX and the rich suite of features and benefits that come with it. All you need on site are the executive class desk phones that are included with Anywhere. They're easy to use and will enhance the productivity of your team. Mitel is the industry-recognized hardware and software innovator. We've been solving the communication challenges of business for over 30 years. Mitel Anywhere runs in secure carrier-class data centers with full redundancy. You get industrial-strength business continuity at no additional cost. So, say your office power goes out. Your Anywhere auto attendant will continue to manage your calls. Mitel Anywhere includes mobile twinning, so calls can be routed to your mobile device. Now that is strong business continuity. And remember, the price is all inclusive. There are no hidden costs. Switching to Mitel Anywhere is simple and delivers real value right away. The solution can even include your internet access if you choose. The result? One reliable company at your service, one bill, and one number to call for support. Here's how easy it is to get started. We come to you, install the service, and train your users. While you're getting started in customizing features, a dedicated contact person is available to help, and you'll always have an 800 number for fast and efficient support. Imagine that, a complete phone and communication solution. No risk and no worries, and a low cost you can count on every month.